I'm behaving. I'll go see if they want to be on camera. But I've made some friends, everybody. Okay, so today I'm in Luxembourg. I'm currently in the casemates. I don't know if you can see. So like, this is the cliff right now. It's a huge underground cliff thing that stretches like 22 kilometers. During the Second World War, it housed the 35,000 residents as protection from bombardments and things. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm like in a cliff. Just in a cliff casually. There are views like this. Let's go see if I can find my friends.
Hello! America in the house! Defenders rule! Aren't you sorry you asked me?
So this is Chris. Chris has a 130. It's my new friend. And Erin is too, but I don't know what Erin is.
Oh, she said you wanted to play hide and seek and she said game on.
Oh dear, we're playing hide and seek now. Seriously, I will go and find her. Oh, she's there. Found her. I win.
Purchasers and restaurant owners, I mean, you can see the results here. So that's the Grand Duke Hotel.
Ah! Coming in! Where is it coming in from? Why am I getting wet? I'll see that. Why is it raining inside?
So the lesson of that day was don't leave your air conditioning vents open when it's raining. Otherwise the water comes in and goes through the dashboard, then out through the pedals. Well done, Riri, good job!
Willkommen zum Trier Germany. The parking right. It said 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes. Why not say 1 hour, 2 hours? No. Anyway, I saw some water like just in the air, like spraying in this direction. So I've come to investigate. I found the source of the water. It's a bit confusing. Okay. Welcome to my crib. Hey lads, I've got this language thing down. I just ordered in German, like no English was exchanged. Again, I'm very proud. But smashing it. Guten Morgen Kartoffeln, willkommen zum my bonnet briefing. See? Right, so there's no signal, which means I'm stupid because I forgot to download the offline map, which means I now have to go old school and use a paper map. Except the place we're staying isn't even on the map. We're somewhere in this region. Today I want to go to this suspension bridge. Typed it into the GPS. It doesn't show up in there either. I mean, I followed the river, but it doesn't actually say what the river's called. Like the Rhine is like further elsewhere. There's a river there, so I don't know if it's this one. I took GCSE Geography, which involved map reading, and then I did OAA Adventures, which also involved map reading, and I still can't read a map. Right, so with the combination of the info book, the map, and the old school GPS, I finally managed to figure out where the hell I'm going. That looks scary. Everyone look, I'm in the middle of a 350 metre, 1,000 metre high suspension bridge.